That's the noise that keeps on happening. I get like a sound first, a lot of thunder, and all of a sudden it stops. As you can hear, no sound through there. If I press the pause button, and resume, absolutely nothing. Pause button again, and exit to the dashboard. And then if I would just quit the game and let's see, restart the game. And that's after about 10 minutes of playing the game. I've uninstalled it and reinstalled it. I've put the Xbox back to manufacturing settings. I've even tried to delete the cache, remove the Blu-ray, the local saves. So now it's just loading back into it. As you can hear, menu music. Let's push A to continue. Story mode. Continue on the game. And we have sound again. Then in another 10 minutes of playing the game, all of a sudden I'll get that funny noise again. Oh, no, there you go, it's gone. It's already gone. So it wasn't even 10 minutes this time. So it's gone, and just to prove that, let's push the pause button. No, sound's completely gone this time. As you can hear, the sound on my TV and speakers and Xbox are absolutely fine. But then go back into the game. That sound's completely gone this time. So again, exit the game, shut it down, quit the game, reopen the game. Let's see if that will go into the main screen this time. Well, this has just started happening as of the 16th of December. And it's as frustrating as anything. Tried to take it back to Asda, they won't replace it, they won't refund it. So I don't really know what to do next. So if anybody's watching the video that could help me, please, 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 can you try and sort something out for me? Thank you very much. Let's just see if this will go back into the game, because this is another issue that tends to happen. It just sits on the loading screen and it will just hang there, and it won't actually go into the Capcom logo. It looks as though this might be one of those moments where it doesn't actually go in. Nope. Seems to have stuck. So at this point, even if I shut down the game, click close, exit, and try and open it back up again, I'll get exactly the same problem. It'll just hang on the loading screen. So the only way to rectify this is pushing the Xbox button on the actual Xbox for about 5 seconds. That'll reset it, going back to the green screen showing the Xbox logo. Once that happens, I can then get into the game and play it. But yeah, I'm having issues. Thank you very much.